So I'm gonna show you guys what all is available. As you can see, the Aroma version is 2.70 RZ2. This is the logo, which is pretty awesome. I mean, I really like that. Let's get into it. Now, whenever installing the ROM, you have to select this one, but if you're only installing the mods for this ROM, you can unselect that and go away. Boot options, you can customize the boot animation and the splash screen install options, or the splash screen animation. Now, I have already installed this one. I would suggest not installing this because I cannot seem to be able to change it. So that is one thing. Boot animation, I will be showing you guys what it is. You have an option for debloating everything, so you can click on this one and the option which is selected will be removed. So keep that in mind. If you want to remove everything, you can just click both of these. That would just work. I mean, I guess that should be it. Now in the exposed options, or in the extra options applications, you can enable ozone from here, the curved corners, which is a substratum theme, from here. Substratum engine can also be installed from here, and it also says that if you are installing the ozone option, don't install this one. So I'll be keeping that. Titanium backup trial can also be installed from here. Also expose installer. Oreo does not support expose installer, so don't do that, but I mean, it is available. In the root option, you can select what root you want. You can have Magisk Beta, Magisk Optional, Magisk 16.0, and even uninstalling the Magisk if you are having that. But keep in mind that uninstalling Magisk will cause an issue with encryption. I will talk about that in later stages, but anyways, that is how it is. Or none if you are just installing the modifications. Also, Magisk modules can be installed. It does have a BusyBox module, a permissive Magisk module, Cloudflare and DNS, and also always on display, which I couldn't really test it out because it didn't get installed. The forum does say that if you wipe data before doing all of this, I mean, it will not install the Magisk modules, but keep that in mind. It is there. Viper for Android and Dolby Atmos, or Dolby Atmos, can be installed from here, so you can actually install both of them if you want to. I personally haven't found any better implementation from that. I mean, it just works. So if you are a fan of that, you can install that. And finishing that will go into the splash screen, and you can press install to install that. I'm gonna quick it because I have already installed that. So yeah. After installation, just reboot the system and it will reboot into your device. It will take a long time though, so just keep that in mind.